Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I am excited. Again, why? Because it's another Air Force One. Yes, guys, I'm here to give you another review of another Air Force One sneaker. This is the Air Force One Jelly Jewel. It sounds so weird, but yeah, Jelly Jewel in black. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We constantly do giveaways on the channel, guys. So make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Make sure that you hit the notification bell and click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics for our ongoing giveaway. It's funny because the Air Force One used to be not on my radar at all. In fact, I was more of an Adidas Boost kind of guy up until like Lloyd, he's one of the regular viewers and commenters on this channel, told me to buy one. And I ended up buying like a couple, not just one. I have like an entire wall of Air Force Ones right now, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, I love the shoe because it's just super comfortable, timeless, and perfect for people with wide feet. But anyway, this is my newest Air Force One, guys. This is the Air Force One Jelly Jewel in black and fuchsia. So that's the official colorway, I think, for this particular shoe. Now, there are two sneakers available with this particular colorway. This is the Air Force One. They also have the Air Max One, which I also saw over at Nike, that's being sold with the same gradient fuchsia teal colorway that you have here. But that will be for another review. Today, we're going to focus our talk and our effort on this Air Force One Jelly Jewel Black. This new Air Force One delivers the right amount of height and the right amount of flare without going overboard. Most of the time when you talk about hype sneakers or fashion forward sneakers, they are just loud. This one strikes a balance between hype, being subtle, and keeping it fresh. To kick things off, we have the main canvas of the shoe, which is the dominantly black nubuck upper. So it's not leather, it's actually made from nubuck. Now, the great thing about this material is that it's slightly more breathable compared to leather, and it's helped with all of the perforations that you guys see here at the midfoot. But when it comes to the overall styling, the great thing about black is that it makes the sneaker a little bit easier to wear. When it comes to style, the black color also serves as a fantastic canvas to make the accents pop a little more. And speaking about accents, we have 4 key accents to the shoe. The first 3 are your Jelly Jewel swooshes. So you have one here on the lateral side, you have one here at the heel, and then you have another one here on the medial side. So if you take a look at the Jelly Jewel swooshes, it starts from a fuchsia color and slowly turns into some sort of teal in a gradient-like kind of look. Now, the cool thing about this is that it's actually 3D. So it's usually the swoosh is what? Printed or stitched. This one has some sort of air on it, so it actually pops a little more. And it's actually kind of therapeutic if you keep on pressing it. I mentioned that during the unboxing. So you have 3 swooshes, 1, 2, and also a small swoosh with the gradient look here at the back. Then the 4th accent, obviously, is the fuchsia colored outsole that you have here just after the white midsole here in the middle. Style-wise, I just love the fact that it doesn't go like super overboard with crazy colors all over the shoe. The black definitely helps a lot with keeping it a little more low-key. But yeah, it boils down to personal taste. I happen to love it, and that's the reason why I added it to my collection. Now, how is the sneaker on feet? It is an Air Force One, so you do get the benefits of your typical Air Force One shoe. It's friendly for people with wide feet. The air unit that's encased in this midsole delivers fantastic cushioning and shock absorption, so you can wear this for an extended period of time and not get any foot fatigue. There is some heft to the shoe, but it's not to the point where you actually feel it and it becomes a drag. So it's just the right amount of weight for a sneaker. Perhaps the only con is the price. It is a little bit more expensive compared to your other Air Force Ones. This one sells for 6,700 pesos here in the Philippines, a little over $130 US. But hey, if you think about it, that extra dollars gives the sneaker more pop and at the same time gives you a more unique Air Force One that you guys can rock every day. In terms of sizing, Air Force Ones usually go big, so some people go half a size down. Some people even go like a full size down. I actually keep it true to size because I prefer more room, especially here on the toe because of my wide feet. So I did go true to size on this one. But if you have normal or narrow feet, I think going half a size down might be the best option for you guys. But hey, you can try it out in store just so you get the best fit. So do I recommend the Air Force One Jelly Jewel in black? Yeah. I ultimately, it really boils down to your taste and preference for the style and the color. Personally, I like it. It reminds me a lot of the Air Force One PlayStation without paying the exaggerated price for the resale price for the Air Force One PlayStation. But hey, if I get a good deal for the Air Force One PlayStation, I would definitely cop. But for now, I'm more than happy to just have this one in my collection. Guys, I will put a link down below to a playlist of all the Air Force Ones I have reviewed in the past. So make sure that you guys binge watch it if you are in the mood to watch more content about the Nike Air Force One. That's actually it for this very quick vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And don't forget, guys, to click the links down below for our ongoing giveaways. You know, you lose nothing by joining, so might as well join and see if you win, right? That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boo.